Hi, this is another case scenario in image to diagnosis. This was an axial scan of the fetal pelvis at the gestation age of 28 weeks, and which showed mild oligohydramnias. And this is the axial scan of the pelvis. And you, you see fetal ascites, and you see two cystic structures in the fetal pelvis. And we have seen another case scenario of cyst in the fetal pelvis, which after the final approach to diagnosis, it was a case of hydrocolpos, which was diagnosed at 32 weeks, where the two cysts in the pelvis were in the anterior-posterior direction. And here in this current case, at 28 weeks, there is ascites, and you see two cysts again in the anteroposterior direction. And so is this also hydrocolpos? But why is there ascites and oligohydramnias if it is only hydrocolpos? So if you would like to see the approach, this case scenario to arrive at final diagnosis, please go to the category image to diagnosis on www.sonoshare.in and go to the fetal medicine section and click on the cyst in fetal pelvis case scenario 2. If you wish to go through the workup of this case scenario of fetal medicine, please log into www.sonoshare.in. Go to click on the categories to go to the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine. And when you click on the category, you will see the image to diagnosis fetal medicine. When you click on that, you will get the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine, and the various case scenarios will be seen one below the other, and click on whichever case scenario you want to see and subscribe, and you can watch the case scenario. Thank you.